Hey guys, welcome back once again to another of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video, and I have to be honest, I wasn't ever that type of girl that liked watching or like loved watching what's in my bag videos. But after watching Christina Marie's what's in my bag video for the year 2019, I got super inspired and motivated to do one of my own, and I got like super intrigued to find out what women or men keep on their bags. So I thought you might like want to know what I always carry with me. So here I am in my room on my bed, and like super comfortable and super excited to share with you what's in my bag. But before I get started, I want to make sure to remind you guys that you should definitely check if you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, and if you're not, it will mean so much to me that you click that little subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also make sure that you are following me on Instagram to see more of my day-to-day life and interact with me and participate from like all the polls that I do and all the questions that I ask. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump into this video. So the first thing that I have to show you guys is obviously the bag that I use every single day, and the bag that I use every single day is this one right here. It is from the brand Guess, and I got this bag at Burlington's a few months ago, and I love its rosy color. I'm obsessed with everything pink, so my bag has to be pink. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but it has the letter G written all over it in a white color. So I'm super obsessed with like the aesthetic of this bag. And another good thing about it is that it is like a book bag, if you know what I mean. Like, it is not a traditional purse that you put over your shoulder. Like, I love those as well, but I am super obsessed right now with the book bag version of a bag, because I think that it's super easy to carry, and like all the weight doesn't fall on my shoulder, it just falls on my shoulders. And I just think that is perfect for carefree people like me that don't want to like have something on their hands and their shoulders like every single minute of the day. So I just like throw this back on my shoulders, put it on, and just like carry out with my day. I have all my hands to like do whatever I want, and I just have everything that I need in my bag right here. So now let's jump into what I have on this little pocket right here on the front. Like, it's super like thick, so I have a lot of things here, and the main thing that I put in that pocket are just things that I need occasionally. And by occasionally, I mean that I do not use them every single day. The first thing that I have is, oh my god, like the first thing that I see here, this is so weird, guys. Well, my aunt gave me this VIP Lavender Superstar spray, and this is basically, oh my god, like should I even put this like that? This is not a good way to like start this video, and it's just for, you know what, I'm gonna read the instructions and what it is, because I feel like they are going to put it in nicer words than I am. So let's just see what it does. Okay, so it is a pre-poo toilet spray. It keeps nasty smells in your bowl. Okay. Thank you, it did not help me at all. I'll still need to explain what it is. But anyways, we all do it. Like, when you go to the bathroom and you like poop or like are in your period and it smells bad, you just spray this on your bowl, and it smells like so good. And if you're like in a public bathroom or even in your bathroom, but like if people are like going to walk in over there like eventually or like super quick after you finish, like it doesn't leave that really bad smell. So I think it comes in like a really cute packaging. Like, I didn't know this existed until my aunt gave it to me, so thank you so much. I haven't used it yet, but you never know, like maybe I'm gonna use it someday. The next thing that I have is this period pad. Y'all know what's it for. And the next thing that I have is this cute portable charger with like its little charging string. I forgot how it's called, but it is like a rose gold color, and it is from the brand iHome. And this is like the perfect emergency example for like when your phone is low on battery and you need it to be like all charged up. I just use this rechargeable battery to charge it up and just continue with my day and not have to worry about my phone's battery. And the last thing that I have in this pocket is this dental paste, because sometimes I get like little like bumps on my like inside of my mouth, and this dental paste like helps me with that so much. And that's why I always carry it, because like those bumps or like ulcers, like, is that the way you pronounce it, ulcers? I don't know, but it hurts so much when I get one of those, and this dental paste helps me with that so much. I couldn't live without it. So that's the last thing that I have in that little pocket right there. Okay guys, so now let's jump into what I have on the big pocket right here. Let's just open it up. So the first thing that I see when I open this big pocket is this wallet that I have. I got this wallet at Marshall's, and it is from the brand Lily and Ivy, and I think it is such a super cute color. It's like a burgundy and a gold color, and it is so huge, and I can fit literally everything that I own here, like in terms of card and like cash and like other things like promotions, my healthcare like card, like just coupon codes, all that stuff. And I still have like a lot of space left to like put anything else that I want. And the next thing that I have are these container thing where I put like certain pills that I take occasionally, and I usually have some hauls right here when my throat is feeling like sore, and I also got some Toms when I have like acid reflux and stuff. So the next thing that I have is something that I put on my bag a little while ago, and it is the Native deodorant. And this deodorant is like organic, and I usually carry it because it is like small in size. And I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes I forget to put on deodorant and my armpit stinks. So it is like such a good thing that I put deodorant on my bag, because I don't want to be like smelly all day because I forget things. So the next thing that I have is this lens cleaning wipe, and it is like microfiber material. So I always carry this like everywhere I go. I have one on my bag, I have one on my book bag, I have one on my camera case, I have one on my laptop case. Like, I always need to have one of these. So the next thing that I have is this Fantasy Britney Spears perfume, and I don't think I have used this like throughout the day, but you never know when you might need to like smell really good. So I just carry it because I have like the bigger version, but it also came with this smaller version, which I always put in my bag just in case. It smells like super good. You know what, let me just spray it. Ooh. Yeah, it smells really good. And to pair that up, I have this Fantasy Britney Spears Work Your Magic body lotion, and I have been obsessed with this lotion for like years when my mom initially had it, and I have been dying to like buy the lotion because I think it smells so good. It makes my hand feels super soft, and the little packaging is just like perfect. So I always carry it with me. The next thing I have is this mirror from Elizabeth Arden, and you know, we need mirrors in our bags to see if we have something on our teeth like I have now. Oh well, I had some lipstick on my teeth and you guys didn't say anything. Rude. I'm kidding. And the next things that I have are these Bath and Body Works antibacterial hand gel, and you know I haven't bought a lot of them because this is like the old packaging. Like, I've had this for such a long time, like I don't think they even work, so I seriously need to buy new ones. But I always like carry them with me. Your girl has to have antibacterial inside her bag 24/7. And last but not least, all I have is this Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean Moisturizing Lip Balm, and it's honestly one of my favorite, or perhaps my favorite lip balm that I have ever bought. I think that the packaging is like super cute, and it really does keep my lips like super moisturized, because I'm one of those people that have like their lips chapped all the times, and I always need to carry some lip balm with me. So Burt's Bees is coming freaking through. Hi guys, so I just finished filming this video and I totally forgot to show you something that I always carry, and it is this water bottle that L'Oreal Paris sent me, and it says lift it with no limit for an event. But yeah, this is like a super cute water bottle, and I always carry, I don't know if you can see, but I always carry like my little metal straw there, you know, to like just save the environment. I just want to like put that in here. But yeah, let's just continue with the video. So that is it guys for this what's in my bag video. I really hope that I did not expose myself that much. So yeah, I really hope that you all enjoy it. Make sure to like let me know down below if you are interested in watching what's in my bag videos, because I can also do like a what's in my college backpack video and like stuff like that, but I don't really know if you guys like want to watch that. So please let me know down below with a comment, or just like give me this video a thumbs up so I would know that you like watching them and that I'm just not like boring you or something. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you all enjoy it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel and are following me on Instagram and on Pinterest to see more of my day-to-day life. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.